I thought it would be nice to do a base to paint on, or you can use it for anything else, but I just want to show you how I make these very smooth, shiny bases that I make my palettes on. But of course, anything else, any work that you want to do in any shape, you can just do it the same way. Just to spice it up a little bit, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna wet pack only with spatula, both the counter enamel and the front, although I will complement a little bit with the brush also. Convex instead of concave like the counter was. As you can see, it works really nicely.